What if I told you the EPA and car manufacturers have been teaming up for years to deliberately limit your engine's performance? This isn't a conspiracy, it's documented in regulations and massive fines. Today I'm exposing 19 powerful, often illegal tricks that can wake up serious horsepower, slash fuel costs, and transform how your car drives. Some can cut fuel use in half or add big power, but most will void your warranty, kill your insurance, or get you fined heavily. By the end, I'll reveal one that carries six-figure penalties. Let's dive in. Trick number 19, using thicker oils. For the past 15 years, nearly every new car has been spec'd for ultra-thin 0W20 oil instead of the thicker 5W30 that engines used to run perfectly on. Car makers say it's for tight tolerances and fuel economy. The real reason? CAFE standards and EPA fines of $17 per vehicle for every tenth of a mpg they miss. That adds up to millions. Smart move, run thinner oil in winter for cold starts, then switch to a slightly thicker grade in summer for better protection and longevity. It can delay expensive engine wear, but it voids your warranty instantly. Once you're out of warranty, do what's actually best for the engine. And if you want even better fluids, the next trick gets controversial fast. Trick number 18, using isopropyl alcohol to remove carbon. Drivers and shops spend billions every year on fuel system cleanings. Instead, try this old carburetor trick. Pour one bottle of 99% isopropyl alcohol into a half-full or fuller tank of gas. It dissolves carbon on valves and injectors and can lower emissions temporarily. That's why it's in seafoam and catechlean. Warning, alcohol is aggressive. It can dry out seals, crack O-rings, and foul plugs. Use it sparingly. If you think that's crazy, wait until you hear the next method mechanics swear by. Trick number 17, the seafoam sauna. Disconnect a vacuum line like the brake booster hose, start the engine, and slowly pour seafoam straight into it. Let it suck it up, shut off the engine, and let it soak 15 minutes. Fire it back up and watch the massive white smoke roll out as it blasts carbon off valves, pistons, and chambers. This can smooth rough idle and restore lost mpgs, but do it wrong and you risk hydrolock that can destroy the engine. Go slow. Now we're entering territory most mechanics won't touch. Trick number 16, removing emissions equipment. Emissions parts add hundreds of pounds and create extra heat that stresses your oil and cooling system. Taking them off can improve fuel economy, acceleration, and long-term engine life. Every 100 pounds removed gains you about 1% better MPG. But you've now built an illegal vehicle. Good luck registering or passing inspection. This is track only for most. If you want big performance while trying to stay smarter, don't skip the next one. Trick number 15, outsmarting the ECU. Most mods disappoint, but a quality ECU tune is one of the few that actually delivers. On turbo cars, you can see 20–30% more horsepower and torque with better timing and boost. The risks are real. Aggressive tunes void warranties, strain engines without supporting mods, and disabling monitors can bring $5,000+ fines. Use responsibly. Here, another way to gain power while flying lower under the radar. Trick number 14, water methanol injection. For boosted cars, water methanol injection is still king. It sprays a 50-50 mix that cools the intake charge, raises effective octane, and lets you run more boost safely. Expect 10–15% power gains when done right. It's not fully illegal but can fail emissions tests. Without proper fail-safes, a system failure can cause instant detonation. Install it professionally. Speaking of making your car slice through air better. Trick number 13, underbody smoothing. Car makers are obsessed with aerodynamics because of those same CAFE penalties. The underbody is one of the biggest sources of drag, with turbulence and vortexes robbing efficiency. Some dedicated DIYers create custom underbody panels using aluminum or composite sheets to smooth everything out, mimicking high-end supercars. Real-world tests from enthusiasts show 20–25% better fuel economy at highway speeds in some cases, with even small gains at lower speeds. The catch, poorly secured panels can fly off at speed and create serious hazards. They also make maintenance a nightmare. Do it right with quality materials and proper mounting and you'll have a stealthy efficiency mod nobody will notice, until the next trick, which cops definitely will. Trick number 12, removing the muffler. Stock exhaust systems are packed with compromises that choke flow and rob power. Swapping the muffler for straight pipe reduces back pressure and can add a noticeable 4-8 horsepower depending on the car, along with a much more aggressive sound. The downside is obvious: it gets loud, sometimes obnoxiously so. Many areas have strict decibel limits, and tickets range from $50 to over $1,000 depending on where you live. It's a cheap mod, but the noise often forces people to reinstall a muffler anyway. If you're into off-roading though, the next trick is pure trail gold. Trick number 11, using oversized tires. Oversized tires transform the look and capability of trucks and SUVs. You get better ground clearance, improved traction in mud or snow, and that commanding presence on the road. Deflate them for rock crawling and they grip even better. But manufacturers hate them for good reason. They stress wheel bearings, axles, and suspension components, throw off your speedometer sometimes by 5–10%, hurt fuel economy, and accelerate tire wear. Smart play: run them only when you actually need them off-road, then swap back to stock for daily driving. Now here's a dirty trick you need to watch out for when buying used. Trick number 10, sawdust in the transmission. This old-school scam has been around since the 1960s and still catches people today. Sellers drop fine sawdust into slipping transmissions to temporarily thicken the fluid and reduce slippage. It can even quiet noisy differentials for a short time. It works just long enough to sell the car. Then the sawdust clogs passages, destroys the valve body, and kills the transmission completely. Always do a proper test drive and consider a pre-purchase inspection. If your daily driver needs more power, the next one delivers serious punch. Trick number 9, running race fuel on the street. Pump gas is formulated for emissions and economy, not maximum performance. Race fuel with 120 octane lets high compression and boosted engines run more timing and boost without knocking, unlocking 5100 plus horsepower in cars like Hellcats, GT500s, or supercharged Corvettes. The problem? It's illegal for street use in most places because of high lead content that destroys catalytic converters and O2 sensors. It's also expensive and offers zero benefit on stock engines. Still on fuels, here's one with even bigger legal risks. Trick number 8, biodiesel without approval. Running higher biodiesel blends or even filtered waste vegetable oil can improve lubricity and slightly lower emissions in diesel engines. It's cheaper too, sometimes half the price of pumped diesel when you make your own. The government's issue isn't the fuel, it's the unpaid road taxes. In many states, this is considered tax evasion, with steep fines, possible license suspension, and vehicle impoundment. Older diesels may have issues, but most modern ones handle it fine. If you want more power instead of just savings, the next trick delivers. Trick number 7, propane injection on gas engines. Propane injection gives gasoline engines a cleaner burning secondary fuel source that cools the intake charge and reduces detonation. This lets you run more boost and timing safely, with gains often around 50 horsepower and sometimes up to 100 in well-tuned setups. Installation isn't cheap, and a big tank can affect insurance and even violate fire codes. But the lower cost of propane can help you recoup the investment. Some risks are worth taking, especially the next one that's surprisingly common. Trick number 6, running with no front plate. Front license plates destroy aerodynamics and block airflow to the radiator and intercooler. Removing it can improve top speed, fuel economy, and cooling while making the car look infinitely better. Most states require them for identification, especially in hit and runs. Some drivers use quick-release hinges to flip it up when they want. It's usually just a fix-it ticket, but it's one of the lowest-risk illegal mods out there. Here's one with much higher stakes. Trick number 5, using off-road diesel on the highway. Red off-road diesel is chemically almost identical to regular diesel, but 30–50% cheaper because it's tax-free for farm and construction use. Run it in your street truck and you can slash fuel costs dramatically. It's also a serious felony in most places: $10 per gallon fines, license suspension, impoundment, and back taxes. The red dye makes it easy for authorities to spot. Next up is something many drivers wish they could turn off permanently. Trick number 4, disabling tire pressure monitoring. That constant TPMS light is annoying, especially with winter tires or a slow leak. Some drivers disable the system entirely so they don't get distracted by false warnings. It's not federally illegal, but many states require it for inspection. The safe move is to disable it temporarily and reinstall sensors before inspection time. Drivers also dream of removing another emissions nightmare. Trick number 3, DPF removal on diesels. Clogged diesel particulate filters create massive backpressure that hurts performance and fuel economy. Deleting the DPF, often with an EGR delete, transforms drivability and reliability for many owners. The EPA treats this as tampering with emissions equipment. Fines start at $5,000 and can reach $250,000 for repeat offenses. It's nearly impossible to hide during a serious investigation. The next one is stealthier but still risky. Trick number 2, synthetic refrigerant blends. Some alternative refrigerants offer better cooling efficiency and lower cost than factory R134A or R1234 if. A few are mildly flammable hydrocarbons that perform great but are illegal in the US. If you do it yourself, detection is unlikely until an accident happens and insurance denies the claim. Tampering fines can reach $2,500. Finally, here's one that's technically legal but still goes against manufacturer advice. Trick number 1, the Italian tune-up. Sometimes the best thing you can do for a modern engine is drive it hard, high RPM runs, full throttle pulls, and letting it heat soak properly. This burns off carbon deposits and evaporates moisture that short-trip driving leaves behind. Modern manuals warn against it, but engines are built with much higher safety margins than they let on. Just don't be reckless in traffic. An Italian tune-up on the highway can still get you pulled over for aggressive driving. That wraps up the 19 tricks. While some of these deliver impressive results, the biggest gains usually come from consistent, proper maintenance most owners ignore. If you want to see the 17 maintenance secrets professional mechanics don't want you sharing, check out that video next. Drop your favorite or most controversial mod in the comments. I read every single one. Hit like if you learned something new, subscribe for more no BS car knowledge, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.